everyone, welcome to Simply Grace Lifestyle. So in this video today, we're going to be making a grilled cheese with ham, low carb. Come on with me, guys. All right, so we're starting out with lots and lots of butter. Here we have some honey ham. I just showed you the low carb bread. And here we have the American cheese slice deluxe. Now this video is a part of a collaboration called Quick and Easy Meals. Quick and Easy Meals is every Sunday at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So it doesn't really matter what you make. You can even do takeout. You can do, and it doesn't even have to be quick and easy. Some of our best meals always take a little bit more time. Now, this collaboration is being hosted by Jean Home Decor and More. We have Debbie Bubbles and myself, Simply Grace Lifestyle, or my main channel, The Grace Life DIY Home Decor. Now, if you guys haven't been over to Jean Home Decor and More and Debbie Bubbles channels, you need to head on over there. They have amazing content along with their cooking skills. You should see their home decor, guys. Now this is some honey ham here, and then I have that sliced American cheese deluxe, and we are layering it because we're getting ready to place that in the pan and cover so everything melts and gets crispy. Yummy. So I added some more butter. I really needed to lower that a little bit, but thank goodness I didn't burn anything. Now, once you get that pan hot, guys, make sure and lower it, because that's not what I did here. I lowered it after it was already done and I was taking it out of the pan. But I love it like this, not too much more than this, but I like it like this. And then we're gonna add the leftover chips that are in my bag. And we are almost ready to head on over to that reveal. It looks amazing. All right, guys, let's go check it out. Doesn't this look delicious? I am loving it. So I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoy creating it for you. If you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you. Amen.